Hello friends, the topic that we will discuss today is capital budgeting. So let's first of all see the meaning of the capital budgeting. The capital budgeting is basically a technique of making decisions for the investment in the long-term assets. It is the process of deciding whether to invest or not to invest in a particular asset, the benefit for which will be available over a period of time. Capital budgeting basically includes the investment decisions relating to the planning of the capital expenditure. Under it, the decision is taken whether to make an investment of capital expenditure in the long-term project or not. The capital budgeting decisions taken under financial management determines the good future for the firm. That's why these are called the long-term investment decisions. What are the different types of projects in which the company invests or the long-term investments are done? The very first one is the new project. Second is expansion projects. Third, diversification projects, replacement or the modernization projects, and lastly, the research and the development projects. These are the five basic or we can say specific areas for which the capital expenditures are quite huge. So for that reason, we require to do the capital budgeting for these particular projects. Then comes significance. The very significance of the capital budgeting lies in because very first one is these are the long term decisions. These decisions are taken not for very short time, not for 1 or 2 years. These decisions are basically taken for the more than 5 years, and once these decisions are taken, they cannot be changed. And because the decision includes a very huge amount, so that's why capital budgeting is required, or it has a significance. Second is irreversible decisions. Once the decisions of capital expenditure are taken, it cannot be reversed back, it cannot be changed. Once taken, it will remain. Then huge investment for a particular project, there is a very huge amount. There is not an amount of lakhs, it goes for the crores that is invested in these projects. Then is growth. For the growth also, capital budgeting is beneficial, or it has a significance. Then comes the types of the capital budgeting decisions. There are basically 3 types of capital budgeting decisions. First is accept reject investment decision, or we can say independent decisions. Second is mutual exclusive decisions, and lastly is capital rationing investment decisions. The very first one is accept reject decisions. Under this decision, it is determined which of the project is to be accepted or rejected. The acceptance or rejection decisions occur when the proposals are of an independent nature, that is, these serve different purposes and do not compete with each other. Okay, so you can accept or reject a proposal on the basis of the rate of return on that investment. If a proposal gives a higher rate of return than its cost of capital, or we can say the expected rate of return, the proposal can be accepted, otherwise vice versa. Then come mutually exclusive investment decisions. These decisions are said to be mutually exclusive when 2 or more than 2 alternative projects are in such that the acceptance of one proposal excludes the acceptance. Matlab, if we accept the one, we have to reject the another, because they both serve the same purpose and they compete for the selection with each other. Then comes capital rationing decisions. Sometimes there may be a situation that the firm have various investment proposals, but it does not have the enough funds for those investments. In this situation, the firm has to do the rationing of the funds, that is, it has to fix its priorities in order for investing the funds. For this, all the proposals or the alternates are provided are ranked in descending order on the basis of their profitability. After the combination is made, which is in accordance with the available funds, and the maximum profitability, and that is selected. In the nutshell, all these decisions are helpful in a sound capital budgeting. That's all for today. Have a good day.